Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail Rotary Polishers fix. When I used it for the first time, I will put a link in the video's description where you can check that one out. I shown you that the polisher developed at the very first use or after the very first use a little bit of an issue where at this part where the handle joins the head part started to move a tiny bit, and it made a little bit of rattle when I was kind of like twisting and turning. Now I'm going to show you how to fix that one, and hopefully that will work out. Let's roll.
If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the quick fix of the DIY Detail Rotary Polisher. First, you've seen that I put like 3 rounds of electrical tape on it, but then it was very difficult. I couldn't even push the handle together. So at the end of the day, I put only 1 round of electrical tape on it. And even that one, I cut it to a bit narrower size, just to make sure that it's not going to cover any of the air vent holes. So it has a good air circulation to cool the electric part and so on. But as I said, 1 round of electrical tape or insulation tape is going to be just fine. Now it's not moving anymore, it doesn't have this rattle. So all in all, that was an easy fix. One thing that you really need to pay attention to is when you put the cables back. Some of the cables are not tied properly together, so when you disassemble and then you reassemble, they are kind of like all around. So make sure that you kind of like lead it next to and away from any sort of screw holes and any sort of plastic parts that close together. Otherwise it would damage the wire. So all in all, yeah, one more thing. As I said, these 2 screws are longer, these 6 are shorter. So keep this in mind. But other than that, it's a quick few minutes fix. Anyone can do it. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.